Assalamualaikum friends, this is Asif Garaya from Magitech, and in today's video I am going to show you that how you can repair your SMD light. Basically this is a SMD light that fixing ceiling and it is not working properly. So basically the issue is of this LED driver is okay. So before starting this video I will say you go and subscribe this channel, like, share and comment. So the things that you need here are an LED chip, a screwdriver, a wire cutter, a soldering iron. So first, as you can see, these are screws. So we have to open them. Save them because we also need them again. And now just remove this tape and like this you have to open it. After moving anti-clockwise I have opened it. As you can see, this is the LED chip. You can see this is a 12 volt LED chip, and same I have bought a 12 volt LED chip, but this LED chip is in golden color, so the size is pretty same. So now how you have to open it by using a screwdriver. After removing all the screws, now I will put it out like this. As you can see, this is the RTB glue. Now carefully put it out, and now we have to desolder them. For desoldering I will use a soldering iron and a tweezer. So now what you have to do is simply pick up the wire and like this, and on the other hand pick up the wire and like this. You have to. Okay, now the LED has been separated. As you can see, the LEDs from the back side is absolutely same. Now what you have to do is first cross these two wires from the back side. Okay, now you have to attach this wire on their place, positive on positive and negative on negative. So let's do. Now put back it in place. Okay, now put all the three screws back. Now after placing the screw here, this thing was used for the supporting of the wire. I will tighten up the screws. Now we have to assemble them. First this paper will come here. Okay, then this will come holding like this. You have to tighten it properly. After tightening, now see the driver, all the component of driver are properly working. As you can see, the capacitor and all the things are properly working. That's mean the driver is perfect. Now let's plug it in 220 volt and see what happens. This is a 220 volt socket. Now let's plug it in. As you can see, it is properly working. And now turn me off all the lights. As you can see, the golden light has been working. So friends, the total cost that it cost me is only of rupees 25, because the LED chip was of only rupees 25. No, you don't have need to buy a new LED. Go and just repair your old LED. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Keep liking, go and subscribe to the channel. Allah Hafiz.